guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Peugeot 308 2014 model. I had to search for myself. There is a hidden menu in the multimedia area, and I had to search it, and I'd like to share that with you. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 350 other videos on how to reset different model cars. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we had an inquiry to change the menu language over here, and I had to search for myself. First of all, press this button. Let's say press this button, and normally you have to find it over here, but here is a secret button. Not secret, but I had to search for it for myself. Once you have done this, the language area, and scroll up and down to change it to the desired language. Don't forget to confirm. Once you have confirmed that, take a few seconds to load the language. Once you have confirmed that, as you can see, the display language has changed. So why I had to search it? Because I was looking for this and I didn't see the options area, and it's hidden under this button. Languages, go back to English if you like, confirm, and wait for it to load the language. Yes, that was it. I hope this helped you, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.